We'll get over there and get it.
Hey, Beans.
It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck.
He don't know what to think about that, Daddy.
Huh?
He don't know what to think about that.
No, you won't.
What is that?
What is that? Say water. Say pool. Say pool.
I figured that'd be the easiest way to get that semen off of him.
You hear the doggy?
Huh?
Whatever it was.
Are you having fun? She's like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to think about this.
No.
Oh,
Stay in the water.
look at his back.
That's where I picked him up. Sit down.
We'll get it. We'll get it. Yeah, that's dog. Dog. Yeah.
He's enjoying it, Mama.
Yes, he is.
Are you holding him that tight?
I'm not holding him
Don't
tight.
want to squeak, does it? Don't squeak with that water in there very well, does it? Yeah, don't squeak. Yeah. Sit down. Go sit down. Sit down. There you go. Sit down. There we go.
Really?
The phone ringing?
It's not so bad out here right now, is it?
That's because we're in the shade. Really? Really?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sit down and splash it. Sit down and splash it. Sit down. Sit down and splash it. Duck. Yep. Duck. Duck. What's the duck do? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Duck go quack, quack. Quack, quack. No, throw it out. We will throw it out. Throw it in the. There you go. When they get in the boat.
Probably some in the utility room.
There's a boat in the drawer in the bathroom.
There we go. All right.
Get in there a little bit. I dare you to. I dare you to get in there. She'll get in there and get right back out, won't she?
Probably. Sit down. Dog along.
He's wanting her to join him.
Really?
Are you ready to get out? Huh? Are you ready to get out? Not quite. Really? Hold on a minute. Are you ready to get out?
Back in there.
He's
Back
like,
in there. Honey boats. See, look, watch. Wow. Wow. Woo. Cool.
that one's trying to go under. He's like, I'm going under.
Sit down and play with him. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. There you go. Play with him. That boat's sinking, ain't it? Yeah.
Did he do that?
Go. Yeah, funny.